Hey kids, how are you? In this video, we are going to learn how to make a population pyramid. But first, do you remember what a population pyramid is? A population pyramid is a bar graph that shows the population of a place in group of age and gender. To make a population pyramid, we need two important things. First, an information chart and a squared paper, because it's easier to draw the pyramid in this kind of paper. This is an information chart. We are going to use it to make our population pyramid. As you can see, in the first column there are the age intervals. They are 5 years intervals, from 0 to 5, from 5 to 10, and so on. Then we have the number of men and women at each age. If you look, you will see that, for example, there are 160 men between 0 and 5 years old and 157 women. We need this information to make the population pyramid. So, now that we know what we need, let's start. Here we have the information chart of San Adrián in 2019. In the first column we have the age. In the second we have the number of men, and in the third one there is the number of women. First of all, we have to draw two axes, like these ones. In the space between these lines, we have to write the age intervals. They are 5 years intervals, so we write it from 0 to 5, 5 to 10, and so on. Once we have written the age intervals, in the line below, we have to write the number of people. So we are going to write intervals of 50, like these ones, 50, 100, 150, in both sides. Now, we choose the right side for women and the left one for men. Okay, we look at the chart. As you can see, between 0 and 5 years old, there are 157 women. So, we draw the bar. Between 5 and 10 years, there are 158. We draw the bar, and so on. When we finish drawing the bars, we are going to color them in orange. Now, we are going to do the same with men. At the first age interval, there are 160 men. We draw the bar, and we continue. When we finish drawing the bars, we color them in blue. So, Here we have our population pyramid.